Understanding property insurance for your commercial condo unit. Did you know that if you own a commercial condo unit, your condo association's insurance probably doesn't cover everything inside your space?
That's impossible.
Many business owners assume the association policy takes care of everything, but in reality, you're responsible for what's inside your unit. If a fire, water damage, or theft happens, will you have enough coverage you need? Today, we're going to break down what's often overlooked when insuring a commercial condo unit, so you can avoid costly surprises down the road. What property insurance do you need for your commercial condo unit? When it comes to protecting your commercial condo, you typically need two areas of coverage: betterments and improvements. If you've made upgrades inside your unit, like installing new flooring, built-in shelving, lighting, or cabinetry, these improvements belong to you, not the condo association. Let's say you've invested thousands in customizing your space, and then a fire or storm causes major damage. Without betterments and improvement coverage, those upgrades may not be covered. That's a risk no business owner wants to take. Business personal property. Now think about everything inside your unit that isn't part of the building itself. Your furniture, computers, inventories, or specialized equipment. If your office was damaged tomorrow, could you afford to replace everything out of pocket? Business personal property coverage ensures that in the event of a fire, theft, or other covered loss, you can get back up and running without a financial strain. Does my condo association's policy cover this? This is where many business owners get caught off guard. A condo association policy typically only covers the exterior structure and common areas, things like the roof, hallways, and parking lots. That means anything inside your unit, your improvements, and business personal property falls on you. If you're not properly covered, a single event could mean significant financial loss to you. What should you do next? Review your current insurance policy. Do you have the right coverage for your condo unit? Check your condo association's policy. Understand what they cover and where your responsibility begins. Talk to a trusted insurance advisor. Every business is unique, and your policy should be tailored to fit your needs. At Vermost Insurance, we help business owners make sure they're protected, not just for what's outside, but for everything that makes their space their own. If you have questions or want to review your coverage, give one of our trusted insurance advisors a call today at 727-748-2886. We're happy to help you understand your options and make sure you're protected before a loss happens. Your commercial condo is more than just a space where your business operates, grows, and succeeds. Having the right insurance in place ensures that no matter what happens, you're protected. Because when you're covered correctly, you can focus on what you do best, running your business.